How to request new training or consulting. Once you're logged into your client member portal, or CMP for short, you're going to want to navigate to the Request Training button from your top nav menu, or click on the arrow within the Training Request button. From here, you're going to want to click on the Add Training Request green button and start typing the information here. So the reason why we have a drop-down menu under the client field is in some cases we have different departments or different locations. So if you're logging in and you have different locations for your company, you would actually click which location you need service for. In this case, it's just us. And then you're going to want to click on the training topic. However, if you are needing assistance with consulting, skip this part and go down to I would like a quote on consulting services, and automatically drop down to the form to the comment section and type in what exactly you need consulting assistance for. But in this case, we are going to request new training. Select the training topic that you need assistance for, and if you can't find it, click on Other and type in the training topic at the bottom of the comment section there. But in this case, we're going to choose abrasive wheel machinery, and this is going to be relating to training. Or you can see here, you can also choose job hazard analysis, ergonomics, all these other options in here as well. Training location, you're going to type in what location. It's a free form text field. You can type in Los Angeles, California, whatever you want to type in. These are all optional fields, by the way. The on-site contact name, if you have that information already, their mobile number. Preferred dates is important. So if you have a preferred date in mind, you type that in there. And also language. English or Spanish. Preferred days of the week, if you like to have it on Mondays, Tuesdays, or Wednesdays. Preferred times, type it in there. Number of classes, right? Expected number of students per class. What type of AV equipment you have at your facility. And here's an important feature here is if you have any forms that are applicable to the training topic you are needing assistance with, such as a safety written plan or a performance evaluation form specific to your company, you would upload them here by clicking on the Browse button. And this is a free form comments menu, so you can type in any other notes that you want our team to read. Then hit Save. Now, once you hit Save, it's going to automatically appear here under Request for Training. So as you notice, you have a request ID number, when it was submitted, and also the status. So once our team member receives submission of that form, they're going to contact you and they're going to update the status to scheduled or in the process of.